Hello guys, welcome back to the new video. In this video, we are going to work on another AWS service, which is transit gateway. So, for example, if we want to establish a communication between different VPCs, so then we need to create the transit gateway. So let's go. Here I have created an simple documentation on this. So, and I have also mentioned some steps to create the transit gateway. So here you can see the AWS transit gateway is basically connects your Amazon VPCs and another networks through a central hub. This connection simplifies your network and puts an end to complex peering relationships. So here you can see this is the central hub and it's connecting the different VPCs here. So why AWS Transit Gateway? So AWS Transit Gateway helps you to design and implement networks at a scale by acting as a cloud router. So here you can see it is acting as a cloud router, and so as your network grows, the complexity of managing incremental connections can slow you down. So AWS Transit Gateway connects VPCs and on-premise premises network through a central hub. So here you can see in the diagram, this is the central hub, which is a Transit Gateway, and it is establishing a connection between the different VPCs, so that these VPCs can communicate with each other. So let's started. So here I have mentioned some steps. So firstly we need to create two VPCs and two EC2 instances is that VPCs. So let's go to the AWS console. So here I have created the two VPC. This is my first VPC, and this is my second VPC. So I have created one subnet in both of the VPCs. So here you can see in the subnets section, I have created the VPC one subnet, and this is my VPC two subnet. And here you can see in the route tables, I have created I have attached an internet gateway to both of the route tables, and I have associate the one subnet in each of the route tables. So here you can see in the route table I have in the internet gateways I have created two internet gateways, which is IZ1 and IZ2, and attached these internet gateways to my VPCs. So here you can see I have also created the EC2 instances. Just go to the EC2 section, and so go to the instances. So here you can see I have created the two instances, EC2 1 and EC2 2. So let's start. So go to the documentation again. So first step is we have to we go to the AWS Transit Gateway, and okay, and we have to give the tag, and we have to provide the ASN number. So and we have to okay. So let's go to the management console again. Go to the BPC section, and in the BPC dashboard just scroll down, and here you can see this is the gateways. So click on transit gateways, and just click on create transit gateway. Here we have to give the name. I am giving the name uh, test gateway. So we need to provide the ASN number. So I am just providing this one. You can provide between this range. Here you can see, and leave all these settings as default, and click on create a transit gateway. And here you can see our transit gateway is creating. Here you can see it's in a pending state, so wait till it's available. So we have to refresh our gateway. So go to the documentation again. After creating the AWS Transit Gateway, we need to create the transit gateway attachments. In this, we will attach our both of our VPCs we will attach our VPCs to the AWS Transit Gateway. So here you can see the Transit Gateway attachment enables you to attach the VPCs and the VPN connections in the same region and route traffic between them. So go to the Transit Gateway attachments once the Transit Gateway is available. So here you can see, just refresh. It's still in pending state, so wait for some time till it's available. So our transit gateway is available now. So after this, just go to the transit gateway attachments section, and here you need to create two attachments. Here I have created, earlier I have deleted these attachments. So click on create transit gateway attachments, and here I need to give the tag. So I will give TG attachment 1. We need to specify the transit gateway ID here. So here this is the transit gateway that I have created earlier, and here I have to select the ID of our VPC. So here I am selecting first VPC, my first VPC. Now click on transit gateway. Again click on create a transit gateway and give the tag attachment 2. So again specify the gateway, and here we need to select the second VPC. Okay, now click on create a transit gateway attachment, and here you can see now. So our here you can see our two our attachments are in a pending state. So wait till it's in available till it's available. So I'm pausing. Now you can see our attachments are in available states. So our BPCs are attached successfully to the gateway, transit gateway. So now go to the documentation again, and here in the step 3, we need to specify the route tables. We need to check the both routes are propagated successfully or not. So go to the console again, and here you can see the transit gateway route tables. So it has created automatically a route table. So go inside this route table, and here you can see our VPCs are attached to are routed successfully. These are associated successfully. So now just again go to the documentation, go to the step 4. Now we have to modify the route table of our VPCs. So let's go again, go to the BPC section, go to the route tables in the BPC section, and here you can see select our first route table and go to the routes section. Click on edit routes. So here we need to add and route. So here uh, I will give the cider block of my first BPC, and in the target we need to select transit gateway. We need to select the ID of first attachment here. So click on save changes. Okay, okay, so I have given the wrong cider block. So just wait for 1 minute. So here we need to in the here I have mentioned the wrong cider block, so here we need to specify the cider block of our second VPC, and here I have select the attachment and click on save changes. Okay, go to the route tables again, select the VPC to route, and go to the routes section, edit the routes, and here again click on add route, and here we need to specify the cider block of our first BPC, and here go to here select transit gateway, and here select the second attachment. Here you can see click on save changes. So our modification is done. So go to the documentation again. So here we have completed the step 4. We can okay, now go to the EC2 section and connect the EC2 instance. Okay, go to the management console again, go to the EC2 section. In the EC2 section I will show you. I have opened the port 23 for telnet. So I will show you the security group once it will open. So just select the instance and go to the security, and here you can see I have opened the port 23 for the telnet, and here I have mentioned the cider block of our second BPC, and in the second instance I have also opened the port 23 for telnet, and I have mentioned the cider block of first BPC. So you make sure that you have opened the port 23 for telnet. So now i'm I'm connecting the I am connecting the my public instance. Okay, so just now click on connect. Okay, wait for some time. So our EC2 is connected. So I'm going to update my EC2 with the command apt update. Now I'm going to install telnet my EC2. So telnet. Okay. So telnet is installed successfully. So here we will connect the instance and that have the public, and we telnet from first telnet to our second instance using transit gateway. So we will use telnet. So here copy the private IP of second instance and paste here, and mention the port here for SSH. So and here now you can see our our first instance is connected to the second instance. Here you can see the connection is established successfully. So thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe and like our channel.